हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड या हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन टू ऑल द ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स एंड टू एवरीवन। टुडे इज रक्षाबंधन, द डे आई एम शूटिंग दिस video. And yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoy your holidays. So yeah guys, now let's get started with the video. So in today's video we are making subscriber recipes, and so many of you guys have been suggesting me so many of the recipes in the comment section below. And yeah guys, I'm definitely seeing them, so keep on sending them. And yeah guys, now I'm going to show you guys who has requested what recipes, and if you guys want me to try your recipes, then make sure to comment down below those recipes, or make sure to give the links of the videos that you guys want me to try. And yeah guys, so now without talking too much, let's get started. So let's see who is our first fantastic and the slime recipe. So let's get started. So our first recipe is from my latest video, so if you guys haven't checked it out yet, you should. And yeah, the recipe is from, again, our best friend at this point, Yatin. And yeah, this is the recipe. So as you guys can see, this is a recipe for a jelly slime. So that is what I'm going to test today. I have seen the video and I'll show you guys a snippet of it. So basically they make a jelly slime with like fake snow and everything. I have made jelly slime recipes before, but you know, like I have a bit of a different recipe than this. I like to keep my snow a little bit, dry and not this translucent and like wet. So yeah, this would be like super interesting. And yeah, let's try out this recipe and let's see if this recipe works or not. And yeah guys, let's get started with the video. So now for our first recipe, as you guys know, to make any slime, we first need a bowl. So here's our bowl, and yeah, since they have used clear glue in their video, but as you guys know, in India it's really hard to find clear glue, and I am pretty much like sure that most of you guys don't have clear glue in your home. Even me, I've run out of my clear glue, so I'm not doing that. I'm doing like the most generic version of clear glue that we have, Fevigum. So this is the most generic clear glue or gum that we have, and I know this will react differently, but it's pretty much the same, you guys. And let's see if we can make it with ingredients that are already available in our home. Before doing this, since they have first prepared their snow, so that is what I'm going to do. So let's take a bowl. So here's our bowl, and in this we will add our snow. So I have ordered some artificial snow, and this is like available on Amazon, Blinkit, everywhere. So whichever you want to try, I'll literally give all of the links down in the description for this artificial snow. So yeah, we are going to add a very small amount and then we'll add a lot of water. So yeah, let's do that. So this is how the fake snow looks. We'll take 2 spoonfuls of these, because they have also like took the similar amount, and we don't want a lot of fake snow because we want to make it super hydrated. So now we are going to hydrate this fake snow. So let's add some water. As you guys can see, it is turning like translucent as soon as I have added water. But you guys can do this, and as you guys can see, this turned white as soon as we do this. I usually like to make slime with this texture, but they have suggested in their video that we should use super translucent snow that we can see through. So yeah, I'm going to add more water. I think this should be enough. Yeah, this is pretty translucent, you guys. I think, yeah, this is as translucent as it can get. So now let's pour some glue in our bowl. And I'm going to pour a full bottle of this, and I'll pour half a bottle more. And now we are going to add our translucent snow. And I've definitely made a lot more than I actually required. So be careful of that, you guys. A little bit of powder can go a very long way. So yeah, let's add our fake snow into it. I think this is how much they've added. And yeah, now let's mix everything together. So our slime looks already pretty activated and the color is literally kind of gone, you guys. So we are going to add a little bit of color. Since this slime already has a yellowish tint, I'm going to use this pearl color since they've used like glitter and food coloring in it. So this contains both of them. So I'm going to use this color. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, can you guys see how beautiful the shade is? So yeah, let's add this into our slime. I hope this helps. I am adding quite a lot, you guys. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Let's add this as well. And let's mix. So I think the color is better now. And yeah, now it's time for adding the last step, which is like the activator. I'll give you my recipes of activator on the I button and also my jelly slime recipe over here. So make sure to check it out as well. I'm going to use a mild activator, that is like 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of water. And I'm slowly, very slowly going to activate this. As you guys can see, it has started to activate quite quickly. Since this is like a clear glue, you don't want to overactivate this, and they said that in their video as well that you guys should go in with your hands and make sure to do not like super overactivate the slime, because you know it will become very hard. But this fake snow will also melt your slime a lot, so it's advisable to add a good amount of activator. Now I'm going to go with my hands and I'm going to fold it and activate this for you guys. So this has seemed to be like activated. Now you guys need to make sure you knead it and remove all these knots before you put it for rest. And it will take a good like 3 to 4 days before it has been cleared. And yeah, but I need to post this video tomorrow, so I'll show you guys the result of like 10 to 12 hours. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it actually turned out. But don't worry, I will show you guys the final results in my shorts as well. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed and your notifications are turned on, because I'm going to post the final result of this in my shorts like after like 3 to 5 days. And yeah, that's going to be super satisfying. Now let's keep it in a container. So now let's add our slime into this clear container so that we can easily see what happens to it. It's already so nice, you guys. So now let's rest this for like 10 to 12 hours and I'll show you guys how this jelly slime turns out. So fantastic, it has been 10 hours now and this is how our slime looks. Let's see. So as you guys can see, it's not the most clearest slime, but you guys can definitely see that it is going to be super clear. So yeah, now let's see how the slime texture is. It does look a lot, jellyish. So yeah, let's see and let's play with it. And now you guys enjoy the ASMR. Can you guys see how pretty this looks? The jelly texture is literally so nice, you guys. Can you see? The snow is held in so nicely. It's not getting out. The fallout is literally absolutely nothing until now. And wow. My god. Can you guys see that bubble? Oh my god. This is such a nice jelly texture, you guys. I really like this recipe. I don't know what score I should give it, like 11 out of 10, because this is just so nice. Wow, can you guys see that? Wow. So yeah guys, I will give this video 11 out of 10. This recipe is just amazing. So if you guys enjoy watching my videos, then make sure to give this video a like, comment something really sweet, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.